Greetings and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at Angular QR code. Please like, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions. Alright, so we are going to click on the link, download our Angular application, and once we do that, we should have and then also just for a reference, there's two packages for QRX code. Say if you're using older versions of Angular, you can go ahead and use the URL from here. However, if you're using the latest version V12, you could go ahead and use version 12. Which just takes us to our Angular application. Very, very simple. And now I am just going to go ahead and change some of the values. So let's head over to the component file. Very simple application, really. You just have the QR code, imported from engine module, and just gonna grab a random string, I'll update the QR data to hello world, and if this goes away, this is what the QR looks like for hello world. So what I can go ahead and do is I can go ahead and scan it. You usually do this with your phone, but just for the video purposes, we can go ahead and scan with this extension I was able to find in the Chrome, and now look, it finds that the value contained is hello world. Now let's say if you wanted to go to a website, let's say angular.com, let's head over. Hopefully code pilot kicks in, but I guess it's idle to guess. It's fine. I kind of going too far. I should have realized that. Alright, so now this is the QR code for Angular IO. Let's see what happens. If I pull it up there, it will take me there as a link or not. It actually just tells the Angular IO. You could copy and paste the link like so. And now, just want to get to the final part of the lab. Say now we need to use an authenticator, This is the format. What's really important is the QR code that you get from your backend API or whatever resource that you use. This is that value that you really want encrypted, You can provide for the email and the issuer, This is just metadata for the authenticator app to show to the user, hey, this is your account and this is the issuer that it comes from. That really doesn't matter. The important part is the QR code, and that remains encrypted, So we're just going to copy and paste this logic here. You're going to provide for an issuer. Yep. Thanks to Copilot. And now lo and behold, we have our QR that you can scan with your authenticator app. So while I leave this on the screen, take a few seconds to grab Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, scan it with your phone, and see how it works. So if you see my QR code, it's just random base64 string, For development, it could be any type of string that you want, But what's going on behind the scenes, that it works on UTC as well as the code that you provided, along with an algorithm to generate a six-digit code every 30 seconds. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions.